Hello friends, welcome to my channel General Talks with Ashish. Hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे. You all will be happy. So let's start today video. So today topic is market. So market basically it is all about stock market. Market is an ocean. If you think from that perspective, it is give you ample opportunity to earn from the market. But in that sense, you should always aim for the long term investment. Long term investment because market is very volatile in short term. So that's why it is always advisable to look for the long term. So long term for the individual can be, it can be also 1 year. For other individual it can be 2 years, 3 years, but horizon should be more than 1 years or 2 years. Then only you can get good returns from the market. So today I will explain you the factors which determines how the market functions. So let's start. Number one, corporate earnings. So corporate earnings means how the company earns the profit. So it really influences the market. The way the corporate earnings are usually come in the quarterly, that determines how the market functions. If the profits are good, then definitely market will be moved. So that's why corporate earnings are very important. Number second factor. So global cues. Globally, what are the global cues in USA? What is going on internationally? That's also impacts the market. Number three. Number three is budget. Budget is an event which happens every once in a year. So whatever the our finance minister declares about the policies, it also influences the market. So basically now election time is on. So that's why I think maybe after elections in June, now our budget will be declared. Number fourth is geopolitical factors. So geopolitical factors basically are like Russia and Ukraine war, like now Israel versus Palestine. So these are the many factors which really influence the market. Like in the short term, due to war, market can react and it can goes down. So that's why these factors plays a very important role in the short term. It really affects the market. So that's why generally every big investor advises that everybody should focus for the long term, because in the long term if company earns the profit, definitely the growth will be there and automatically market will go on a higher side and give you compounding returns. Now the next topic, now the next point. Now the fifth point, fund flows. Fund flows also influence the market. Fund flows means like FIIs and DIIs. FIIs means foreign institutional investors, the way how they put the money in the market, and the foreign institution always see the growing market. So India is now a growing economy. That's why they prefer to invest in Indian markets. Secondly, DIIs. DIIs means the money which is coming through mutual funds. Now uh, Indians are also investing in the stock market, and they are just putting money in form of SIPs into the mutual funds, and then further mutual funds invest in the markets. That's also giving the stability to the Indian markets. That's why funds plays a very significant role in determining the movement of the market. Let's move to another point. Stock specific activities. See, stock specific activities means any news flows. Whenever the market opens in the morning at around 9:15 a.m., at that time, generally, when the news comes, suddenly the stock price moves of any company. So that's why all it depends upon the news flows. Like any strategic partnership is with another company, or maybe due to n number of reasons, the stock moves out. So that's why stock specific activity plays an important role in determining the market behavior. Number 7, bond yield. So always in USA it is 10 years bond yield. If 10 years bond yield is on a higher side, in that case market generally goes down. So that's why it is we need to, as we generally we need to track bond yields also. So basically these are the factors which really generally impacts the market in the short run. So that's why it is preferred to always invest in the long for the long term. It give you great returns in the market. So 8 point is monetary policy. So monetary policy is like interest rates. So generally, as you know, so interest rates are very high, and there is a liquidity tightness. So that's why it also impacts the market. But during last year, I think market also had given a huge run up in terms of small cap shares and mid cap shares. They have given great returns, but uh, due to that interest rate is on a higher side. That's why there is a liquidity crunch. So that's why it also this monetary policy also influence the market. So that's why I think these are the combination of the factors which really influence the market. So I think uh, today's video is quite informative, and it will help you to understand the basic functioning of the market. Now I will explain you in a very simple manner that market is really highly volatile in nature. But if you think from a business point of view, then definitely while investing in the great companies, you can able to compound the your returns in long term. So that's why I prefer long term investing rather than short term investing. So those friends, I think टुडे वीडियोस क्वाइट इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड यू आपको सब कुछ समझ में आया होगा. फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन यू कैन जस्ट पुट इन द कमेंट्स. आई विल ट्राई टू रिप्लाई ऑन दैट. सो लास्ट बिफोर एंडिंग द वीडियो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि आप प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें, जिससे कि हमारा चैनल ग्रो करे. और प्लीज़ नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे. मीनवाइल सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू. तो फ्रेंड्स प्लीज़ कमेंट करें, और जो भी आपका कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें, जिससे हम उसको आंसर को रिप्लाई करेंगे. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल, और आप स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे, खुश रहें. थैंक यू.